Hi everyone, welcome to Focal Academy. See this problem, here one matrix given here. So this matrix consists of complex numbers and asking that how to find conjugate matrix for the given matrix. So first of all, what is conjugate? So it is well known term in complex numbers. Let's suppose there is x plus iy complex number is there. So for this conjugate is x minus iy. Just replace I with minus I, then we get conjugate for the complex number in the complex numbers. Now you have given that matrix. How can you find it here? So simply conjugate matrix with A bar. So that is equal to, apply this process for each complex number. Here 1 plus 2i is a complex number. Replace I with minus I, it becomes 1 minus 2i, and here I is there, it becomes minus I. This is real value, keep as it is, there is no I value. Now here 2 plus 3i. So this is the conjugate matrix for the given matrix, and this is the process of simplification. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Thanks.